I have a smell in my laundry room like gas. I did call the gas company and they came to inspect, but they claim that it not gas link. I am concerned about this matter. I have my father which is visiting that also claim that he smell it. We are concerned for our health. I brought this home 6 months ago at a cottage home, no basement.
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20 plus years of experience as a plumber. I'll be glad to assist you today. Does the smell come from inside the cabinet of the laundry sink?
No, I don't have a laundry sink or cabinet.
Is there a floor drain under the washing machine?
Not sure, need to check. I place a rug on floor to keep warm in the winter, but I'll check. I remember the floor was all concrete.
It is likely the floor drain for the washing machine, or if the water heater is in the same room, then the floor drain for the washing machine. Often they will connect the floor drain to the plumbing system, which is incorrect. The easiest way to test to see if that is where the smell is coming from would be to tape the opening of the drain pipe or stuff a rag in the pipe and see if the smell goes away. Since it is a concrete floor, the easiest way to solve the problem would be to cap the drain pipe, as it is not necessary anyway.
Yes, the water heater is in the same room.
Very good. The pan under it may be connected to a drain also, so if either the water heater or washing machine or both have a floor drain, just shove a rag or paper towel in each and that should solve the issue. It will be fine to even leave both drains with a rag in them. That way they will still function if needed, but the smell will be blocked.
I will give it a try, thank you.
You are very welcome. Also, sewer gases are not harmful, just a nuisance. I haven't heard from you. Was the information I provided helpful?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.